Okay, so we are doing section 7.10, problem number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
And I'm going to read the problem. You can write down the numbers as I read. It says a person needs to
Okay,
paint
ma'am.
the outside of his house. The front and back each measure 65 feet by 24 feet, and each side measures 34 feet by 24 feet. There are 16 windows and 2 doors measuring 4 feet by 2 feet and 6 feet by 3 feet, respectively. What is the total area to be painted? If 1 gallon of paint covers 350 square feet, how many gallons of paint does he need? Assume only whole gallons can be purchased. And I'm going to read it again while you write the numbers. A person needs to paint the outside of his house. The front and back each measure 65 feet by 24 feet, and each side measures 34 feet by 24 feet. There are 16 windows and 2 doors, measuring 4 feet by 2 feet and 6 feet by 3 feet, respectively. What is the total area to be painted? If 1 gallon of paint covers 350 square feet, how many gallons of paint does he need? Assume only whole gallons can be purchased. Okay, so we've got this house. Where the sides are
For
35 by
65,
24.
we have 65 by 24.
So that's the sides.
Then
The
we,
front and back is 65
okay, side.
by 24.
Front and back. Then the window is 16 windows.
And I'm not going to
4
draw
by
in all the
2.
windows. Okay, and it looks like we don't have to worry about the little triangle for creating the roof. We're just doing the sides of the house. So for the front and back, we've got um, an area of 65 by 24. And we have to double that because you've got the front and you have the back. So I'm getting 3,120 square feet for the area of the front and back. Okay, and then we have the side that's 35 by 24. So area is length times width. We'll do 35 times 24. Oh, sorry, not 35, 34. I'm so sorry, patience. This should be 34,
No,
not 34.
I'm lost too. I'm lost. It's not a joking job. Times 2. Tatiana, where do we get these two?
Because
64
you have
times,
two sides.
okay. Okay, just 2 square. Just 2 square. So,
And you
so,
have the front and you have the back. So you do the area of the front, 65 by 24, and double it. You find one side and then double it.
34 times 2. 34 times 24 times 2.
1,632. Okay, now we have the 16 windows.
34 times 24. 1632. Have the two windows.
Okay, are your numbers the same as mine so far?
Yes, yes, it is.
Okay, now the windows are 4x2, and we don't want to paint the windows.
Okay.
So we're going to have to take this out, 16 of these, 4x2 by 16.
4x2 by 16. Okay.
It's 128 that we're going to have to take off.
4 times 2 times 1, 6. Well, 128 is 128. Then
And the doors are 6x3, and we've got 2 of those, so times 2.
6 by 3, that's 24 times 2.
So that's going to be 18 times 2 is 36. So we're going to have to take that out also because we don't want to paint the doors the same as the sides of the house. Probably you're going to need to use an aluminum paint, or maybe you want to paint the doors red or something compared to the sides of the house. So to find the full area, we're going to have to take 3120 plus 1632, and then we're going to subtract off the 128 and subtract off the 36.
Plus 1632, which is equal to 4752. Minus 4 carry 1 minus 6 1 minus 1 6 4 4
Are you getting the same figure as I am?
minus 164. I have a 4588.
Yes. So that's your first answer to the problem. Do you want to plug that in and see if we got it right?
Four seven 4588 square feet. I should think so. It's on the square feet.
Yes, square feet.
Yes, nice job.
Okay.
We don't have
Now we need to figure out how much paint we have to buy. It tells us that 1 gallon is 350 square feet. So we'll multiply this, the 4588 times 1 gallon is 350 square feet. So basically we have to divide 4588 divided by 350 is 13.1.
That's important, yeah.
But we can't buy just 0.1 gallons. So how many gallons do we have to buy?
We may buy we can buy 14 gallons.
You'd have to buy 14 gallons
Yes.
in order to have enough.
1 4 nearest gallon. Oh, good job. Ah, then question 5. Dr. Lab, this thing can.
Is it saying that we got it right?
Yes, we are right. 14 gallons. We are right.
Okay.
But if this thing come out in the examination,